Hola, you guys! You might be wondering, where am I actually? Well, I'm with the company of Train Railways. The history of railways dates back to 1895, when the Ottoman Economic Railway that links Beirut, Damascus, Hauran, and Birajik opened. It was actually owned by a former French officer. It was the first train railway linking so many cities together. It was actually awesome. And when they finally got the approval from the Ottoman Sultanate, they actually started building it and making it as a huge train railway. In 1942, the British established the Naoura-Beirut-Tripoli line to move armies during World War II. But it only functioned for 6 years, and then it had to stop after the Naoura tunnels were blown up and the Arab-Israeli War started in 1948. And the Lebanese state recovered the train railways that link Beirut to Damascus and Tripoli Homs in 1956 under the era of President Fuad Shah. And in 1961, the Railway and Public Transportation Authority got established, and they actually kept on transporting passengers until the outbreak of the Lebanese Civil War in 1975. What kept the electric companies functioning during the Lebanese Civil War is that actually the railways were transporting raw materials. A lot of train properties got damaged during the Lebanese Civil War, which actually ended the line that links Beirut to Tripoli in 1979. The line that links Beirut to the south stopped in 1983 after the Israeli armies bombed parts of the railway. And the railways in Beqa were stolen, and they were transported from the Tripoli port to Pakistan with the coverage of the Syrian agencies. And between the years of 1988 and 1991, the train stopped. And when the Lebanese government decided to rerun the train between Daura and Byblos, it functioned and transported passengers for 1 year only. And according to studies done by the Lebanese authority, it generated 2.5 million Lebanese liras in just 2 months, October and November, with 401 trips. Do you think Lebanon will have trains again, linking us to a lot of cities around the world, or at least in the Middle East? If you think so, comment that down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Salam.